1,000 times before inventing the light bulb. He didn't just see those failures as defeats. He saw them as steps towards success. Yes, you'll face setbacks. Failure isn't the opposite of success. It's part of it. Let me ask you something. Have you ever been so frustrated with your business that you wanted to walk away? Maybe you faced a major loss, like a damaged car, mechanical breakdowns you can't afford to fix, or a no-show renter. And it felt like all your hard work was for nothing. Guys, I know the feeling. I've been there. But here's the truth, guys. Those moments aren't the end of your journey, all right? They're just the beginning of your growth. Just stay with me for the next couple of minutes and I'll show you guys how to turn tough times like that into the greatest opportunity for success. When I first started my car rental business, it was anything but easy. I vividly remember a week where everything went wrong. 2 cars came back damaged, 1 car disappeared entirely. We were looking for my Tesla everywhere in the DFW area, and my bank account was practically on life support. I had every excuse to quit, and I thought, maybe this business wasn't for me, all right? But then I realized something. These challenges weren't happening to me. They were happening for me. All right. And they forced me to refine my processes, to rethink my approach and my relationships, and to dig deep to figure out why I started this business in the first place. Fast forward to today, and I've built not just a successful business, but a system that helps other people succeed also. That transformation started by refusing to give up when things got hard. Tough times don't last, people, but tough entrepreneurs do. Now here's the bigger picture, guys. You're not alone in facing challenges. Every entrepreneur, no matter how successful, has had moments where they questioned everything. Take Steve Jobs, for instance. He once said, "I'm convinced that about half of what separates successful entrepreneurs from the non-successful ones is pure perseverance." Think about that. It's not talent, it's not luck, or even resources. It's your ability to keep going when things get tough, all right? For example, guys, you all heard of Thomas Edison, right? He failed over 1,000 times before inventing the light bulb. He didn't just see those failures as defeats. He saw them as steps towards success. And your car rental business is no different, all right? Or any other business you have. Yes, you'll face setbacks. A renter might damage your car, all right? A deal might fall through. But what separates the winners from the quitters is how they respond to that. Will you let those setbacks define you, or will you use them for fuel for your growth? And now let's talk about some actionable strategies that you guys could use to push through those tough times. So lesson number 1, guys, I need you to reframe failure in your mind, all right? Failure isn't the opposite of success. It's part of it. Each setback is a lesson disguised as a challenge. For instance, if a renter damages your car, it's an opportunity to revisit your vetting process, or maybe invest in better insurance, all right? Think about this. Oprah Winfrey was once told that she wasn't a good fit for television. But today, guys, she's the most influential figure in the world. Instead of asking yourself, why did this happen to me? Ask, what can I learn from this? That's the mindset shift alone that can change the trajectory of your business. Lesson number 2, guys, build resilience, all right? Robert Schuller once said, tough times never last, but tough people do. Resilience is more than just surviving. It's about thriving despite challenges, all right? Start by writing down your why, all right? Why did you start this business in the first place? Was it to gain financial freedom? Was it for your kids? Was it to leave a legacy for your family? Whatever it is, keep that reason front and center the whole time, guys. During tough times, revisit your why. Let it remind you that setbacks are only temporary, but that your goals are worth fighting for. One of my mentees, Rachel, had a rough start. Multiple cars damaged, bad interest rates on her loans, financial struggles, but she focused on her why. And today, she's running a profitable fleet. If she can do it, so can you, guys. Lesson number 3, learn from your losses. Mistakes are inevitable, but repeating them, that's a choice. Every loss is an opportunity to improve. Maybe you need a stronger rental agreement. Maybe you need better trackers in your cars. Maybe you need to redefine your SOPs or refine your marketing strategy. Treat each setback as a feedback loop, as an opportunity to fine-tune your business. I had a mentee who lost thousands because of poor renter vetting. All right. Instead of giving up, Chris revamped his processes. And now he has a thriving rental business. Again, he bounced back from it. Remember, the only wasted loss is the one that you don't learn from. Lesson 4, guys, seek support. You don't have to navigate through tough times alone. Join a community of like-minded entrepreneurs. Whether it's my mentorship program or any other support group out there, having people to lean on can make all the difference for you guys, all right? One of my mentees, Mark, he joined my academy when he was on the brink of quitting. With the right guidance, with the right support, he turned his business around, all right? And he's now scaling his fleet. So surround yourself with people who understand your journey. Success is not a solo act. It's a team effort, all right? Now, not to get deep on you guys, but Confucius once said, our greatest glory is not in never failing, all right? But in rising every time that we fall. Imagine looking back a year from now, proud of how you pushed through when things got hard. Those moments of perseverance will be the foundation of your success. Think about it, guys. The challenges that you face today are the stories that you're gonna tell tomorrow, all right? They're proof of your resilience, your determination, and your ability to overcome anything that life throws at you. So what's one challenge that you guys have faced recently, and how did you overcome it? Share it in the comments, guys. I'd like to hear from you guys. And if you're feeling stuck, you don't have to go through this alone. Join my program where I help car rental entrepreneurs just like you navigate through tough times and build thriving businesses. So click the link below to learn more and take the first step towards your success story. And guys, remember, the only way to fail is if you quit. Don't quit, guys. Your breakthrough is just around the corner. If you like this video, please make sure you hit the like button and make sure you subscribe. Thank you guys very much, and I'll see you on the next one.